What happens if I drink celery juice every day? Does celery juice clean arteries? What are the benefits of celery juice? Fresh fruits and vegetables were shown long ago to have enormous beneficial effects on human health. It's no surprise then that the benefits of celery juice are simply amazing. Along with the usual vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that accompany fresh produce, there are a number of benefits unique to juicing celery. 1. Calms the nerves. Hippocrates, otherwise known as the father of medicine, described celery as a potent nerve calmer, and strongly believed in the healing power of celery. After a yummy glass of celery juice, you'll immediately feel your nerves begin to relax. Of all the benefits of celery juice, the calmness it gives is perhaps the most interesting. Try drinking it before a speech or the morning of an important business meeting. It also makes it easy to see the link between health and greater success in life. 2. Replaces electrolytes. Another benefit of celery juice is its high amount of sodium. This is offset by its high levels of potassium, which makes it a superb electrolyte replacement drink. Rather than drinking Gatorade and other unnatural and unhealthy substances, start juicing celery. 3. Suppresses the appetite. One of the great benefits of celery is that it has very few calories, which means you can eat as much as you want and not have to worry about putting on weight. This is why it's a great appetite suppressant. So when you're hungry, eat lots of celery. It'll satisfy your hunger, stop you from eating junk food, and ultimately take you closer to the health and vitality that you so desire. 4. Weight loss. No explanation is needed, except that number 3 means weight loss is one of the benefits of celery juice. 5. Prevents cancer. If the preceding benefits of celery juice weren't enough, then let me remind you of its ability to prevent cancer. Celery contains phytochemical compounds called coumarins, which are effective cancer prevention agents. They are also thought to enhance the beneficial activity of white blood cells. 6. Reduces high blood pressure. Coumarins are also effective at lowering blood pressure, and toning the vascular system, and have also been proven to relieve migraines. Juicing celery really is a powerful way to enhance your health. Celery goes great with apple and spinach, or even beetroot, lemon, and ginger. And most importantly, do not forget to subscribe to our channel DocOnline to be updated on how to be naturally healthy and not consume medications.